Hi everyone, today we are going to show you how to make taper candles. These are great for holidays, weddings, or any event you are celebrating. The method we are showing you is definitely one that will take practice to make perfect, so don't get discouraged. But once you start getting it, the reward is worth the battle. We are going to be using the dip method. While you can achieve a similar result by pouring into a mold, it will lose the character of a traditional dip taper candle using that method. You are going to need a long piece of wick, such as our cotton braid wick, which can be cut to your desired length. Tie a small weight to the bottom of the wick to keep your wick as straight as possible when dipping. Next, you need to melt your wax down. We are using beeswax to get the natural, subtle scent of honey in our finished product. You are also going to need 2 containers, tall enough for your desired length of your taper candle. One will be filled with the melted beeswax and the other with cold water. First, dip your wick into the beeswax, coating it all the way to the length of your candle. Pull it out of the wax and let it drip for a second before moving it into the cold water. The cold water will flash cure your wax, allowing you to dip it right back into the beeswax. Repeat this method until you reach your desired width. Once you are done, cut the bottom wax off just above the weight. Let it fully cure before putting it in a candle holder. This is a really fun process once you get the hang of it. It really does get easier with time and practice, and once you master it, you're going to love your finished product. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.